In today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump shutoff switch or inertia switch location and reset instructions for your 2008 through 2010 Ford Super Duty. This video will cover the F250, the F350, the F450, and the F550. The inertia switch in a Ford vehicle is a safety feature designed to shut off the fuel pump in the event of a collision or sudden impact. This helps prevent fuel from continuing to flow and reduces the risk of fire after an accident. If triggered, the switch needs to be manually reset to restore fuel pump operation. Depending on the year of vehicle you have, the size and shape of the switch may vary. However, these switches can be readily identified by the red colored button on top. The inertia switch is located on the passenger side of the instrument panel. In the picture shown here, the arrow is pointing to the location of the switch. Open the front passenger side door. Remove the small access panel to reveal the switch. If the switch is in the down position, this is the operating position. The fuel pump is being supplied power. If the switch is in the up position, this is the trip position. The fuel pump is not being supplied power. In order to reset the switch, turn the ignition to the off position. After verifying there are no leaks in the fuel system, reset the switch by pushing in on the red reset button. Turn the ignition to the on position. Wait a few seconds. Turn the ignition to the off position. Verify there are no leaks in the fuel system. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.